Hi everyone, welcome to Module 8. Today I want to talk to you about narratives. Narratives and memoirs are wonderful writing assignments for students, and they can really result in some beautiful pieces of writing that students are proud of and that have an authentic voice and authentic feel to them. This is a type of writing that sometimes is connected to journalism. A lot of times journalists will try to write a personal narrative that really gets at the heart of something. Maybe a food writer writes a personal narrative about his experiences with eating at a wonderful restaurant, having a great meal. Or a journalist who's on the front lines of a war writes about his experiences or her experiences of being embedded within a war scene. So personal narratives are authentic. They have to show rather than tell. They're full of exciting language, and they really answer the questions, the same questions that journalism pieces do. And these are the who, what, where, when, and why questions. So when you're writing a personal narrative, you're thinking about who was involved in the incident. To use our war scenario, you think about who was involved in the war, what happened specifically, who are the people there, what does the reader need to know about these people in terms of their specific details, such as their age, their appearance, and then the subjective or emotional details, such as their beliefs, their values, their emotions. The what is what led up to the specific incident. Often the best personal narratives really zoom in to tightly focus on one specific thing, one thing that happened, one meal that was eaten, one movie that was seen, one life experience. And these can have sort of a step-by-step aspect to them, or they can occur in flashback. So thinking about what order did the stages of the incident occur, and what effects did the experience have, both immediate and long-term. What details need to be included? In addition, the where. The reader wants to know where this took place, how many locations were involved. Does the reader need a lot of description for each of these locations, or will just specific details help convey the scene? When did this take place? What time of the day? What time of the year? What year, if it's a flashback or a memory? What was significant about that specific time, that when? And then why? What caused this incident? Did the people involved or the personal writer know that this was going to happen? If it's a food blog, why did the writer come to review that particular restaurant? Why that particular dish? What was it about it that attracted the writer? So when you're planning your narrative, you have to think about an incident that's really worthy of writing about, something that people want to know about, and then what's relevant and what are the specific details that will make it real for readers. So this document that I'm referring to, this came from a website. Stout is her name, and this is an authentic assignment that she gave to her students on writing the personal narrative. The details of this are found at www.pky.k12.mo.us if you want to get more information about her specific assignment. At any rate, personal narratives can take the form of where I discuss my own experiences, or they can be someone else's experiences. But they must answer these specific questions in order to really give all the details that are required for the reader to understand what's going on.